this section, we will study the notion of continuity. This concept is so essential to calculus that without it, the whole subject would not have been developed as we know it today. A function is continuous if f of a is equals to limit of f of x as x approaches and has two-sided limit. There are three conditions must be satisfied for a function to be continuous at a. Number 1, f of a exists. Number 2, limit of f of x as x approaches a exists. And number 3, limit of f of x as x approaches a is. Types of discontinuity. If function is discontinuous at a and condition 2 is not satisfied, the discontinuity is called essential and it has no side. And if function satisfies condition 2 but fails to satisfy condition 1 and 3, the discontinuity is called removable. This is the figure 1, and it has hollow point. This is a removable type of discontinuity. There's a hollow point instead of a whole point, and automatically discontinuous. If you can see in this figure, there is a hollow point instead of a shaded point, which is failed to satisfy the condition 1 and 3, but it has two-sided limit, so it is a removable discontinuity. This is the figure 2. As you can see, the limit from right jumps over to the left. Limit of f of x as x approaches a does not exist and it has no two-sided limit. This figure 2 is discontinuity. There are hollow point and a shaded point if you look at this figure. The function jumps over to a shaded point and not satisfied the condition 2, so it is called essential or jump discontinuity. This is the figure 3. By looking at this figure, it is obviously type of discontinuity. This function is automatically discontinuous by just looking at the figure. We say that function is continuous if we can trace the graph and pass through the point without lifting our pen. But this figure jumps through the point. This is the figure 4. This is continuous. It has two-sided limit. F of a is equals to limit of f. This figure 4 is continuous. It satisfies all the three conditions. It has two-sided limits. The left and the right sides are both equal. If we look carefully in this example, f of x is equals to 2x squared plus x minus 1. And a is equals to 1 is continuous because it satisfies all the three conditions. This example is continuous as well because it satisfies all the three conditions to define continuity. In this example, if we distribute 0 to the both sides, it is not equal, so it is a discontinuous. In this last example, if we distribute 2 to the left and right side, it is not equal, so it is a discontinuous. That's all for our tutorial. Thank you for watching.